bathroom because it was looking like a hot mess. I'm ready to do my skincare now. I washed my face. It's feeling like super dehydrated, super dry. I took a little nap on the sofa with Adam. And Amr picked him up and went for a walk and didn't tell me. So I thought he was there the whole time. So I was just napping, and apparently I napped for like 2 hours. And I wasn't wearing any SPF, and I was right under the living room window, and the sun was like beaming on me. And I already have very vulnerable areas in my face that will get very dark because of that little moment. I find that if I don't wear SPF, even like an hour in the sun, the parts that my skin are more like sensitive tends to get more darker. It catches on to the sun, catches onto pigmentation. I already noticed that my dark spot here I've been working on for the past week has already like gotten darker than it was this morning because I was just like in the sun. But I also want to do an acid, and I know it's not like recommended to do an acid in the daytime, but if I'm wearing SPF, it should be fine. My skin just really needs one. I haven't done one of these in such a long time, so this means my skin's gonna look poppin' after I do this. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Peels. I'm gonna go in with the first step, which is exfoliate and smooth. And I'm just gonna lightly just buff my skin. Yesterday and today, I don't know why I've been feeling down. I think I'm getting my period soon. Feeling super unproductive and not wanting to get out of bed. Again, it's okay to have those days once in a while, but I tend to kind of get lost in that mood. So I have to like really force myself to get up and just be productive and feel good. And so yeah, Amr went out for a walk with Adam, and this just gives me an hour to really focus on myself, do some organization. He's so sweet. He's like, today's your day. You could just do what you need to do. Me and Adam will just spend time together and pretend like we're not here. He really does lift his half of the weight. This is how I kind of rejuice. So I'm gonna make a list of things that I need to do today. I bought this planner. I love buying planners. I never actually end up using my planners. Like I they look so good. I'm ready to write. I have a special pen for my little planner. I feel so great. And then I kind of just forget, and I take it day by day because being a parent is so much more different. Like there's curveballs being thrown at you. Being super organized is great. Planning is great, but sometimes you just gotta play it by ear. That step's done. Now I'm gonna go into step 2, which is the anti-aging neutralizer. I was just feeling really down, and then I was watching my favorite YouTubers, and I just felt better. I always feel great watching like my favorite YouTubers. I was just cleaning a few things, and I remember there's a massive pile of goodies like perfumes and makeup and skincare that I wanted to give away. So my initial plan, I can't believe I forgot this, but I'm so excited to do a giveaway every Friday, every Jummah during Ramadan, and I missed the first Friday. So today is Saturday. I'm still gonna do the giveaway today. So at the end of this video, expect a really awesome giveaway. I'm gonna tell you what the products are and what you need to do to qualify for the giveaway. Every Friday moving forward till Eid, there will be a giveaway that I'll be doing. And it'll be awesome. It'll be such a sick giveaway, I promise you. So when I do the peel, I already feel like the top layer of my skin exfoliated. I feel great. This is the Vichy Mineral 89 Serum. Been using this serum for a very long time. It's so great. And actually, I love when you guys try these products that I absolutely love and give me some feedback. And a lot of you love the serum and the Camellia serum that I always talk about. But a lot of you guys really like that pink makeup tutorial that my camera totally fudged up. I filmed the whole thing, but my camera for some reason just was like failing on me, and some of the clips were deleted. Anyways, the eyeshadow I was wearing was actually a blush by NARS, and it's called Cure Batant. I don't know, but it's a bright pink, and this is all I used on my lid, and I just went in with whatever blush I was wearing, and I dragged that on my crease. But a lot of you guys really like this tutorial, and this eyeshadow blush is so pigmented, like so pigmented. Long story short, it was actually a really easy tutorial. I will put a clip of the video I'm talking about right here, and also the link of it down in the description box in case you guys are wondering, because I was really sad. That was a really fun chit chat. Like, I actually shared multiple stories with you guys, and the only one that the video actually caught was the one about me working at the airport. I automatically feel better. Woo! I ran out of cleaning gloves. I'm so upset. Like, that's something that I usually bulk buy, and I just happen to be always cleaning, and I reuse them, but I don't know where all of them have gone. So in case you see me cleaning with my hands, I usually wear gloves. I'm not a savage. I am, but like, you know. A moisturizer that I've been loving so much. So much. And it's exactly what it says. This is the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. Looks like this. I love this facial oil because it's actually exactly what it says. It's non-greasy. The only reason why I don't like facial oils, I like how it makes my skin feel moisturized. I just don't like the greasy residue that it leaves on my phone, on my baby. It's everywhere. You touch your face, it shifts, it grease everywhere. This one is the only facial oil I've ever tried that actually does not leave a greasy residue, and I like to just bathe in my facial oil. And it's a bit too much. Yeah, it's definitely a bit too much. But I don't care. Just do a little bit of this. Oh my god, this feels so good. Once I've learned these facial massages, I can't not do them, especially when I like bathe in my moisturizer step. Oh, and you do this one, this tension one with the eyebrows, and you just drag it up. Oh my gosh. Take your fingers. This facial oil feels so good on the lips as well, just like as a nice lip balm. I'm just gonna go with whatever eye cream I see here. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Anti-Wrinkle. So I have the All Day Broad SPF Dr. David Shack. My cats are so heavy and like big, they feel like actual people. When they like go up the stairs, it actually feels like footsteps, like really fast. I feel like $1 million. I feel so much better. It's crazy. And one of my favorite daytime perfumes is this Malone Honeysuckle and Damina. Is it weird that I have like a daytime perfume and a nighttime perfume? But it's this Malone Honeysuckle and Damina cologne. It's like floral and sweet. It's so good. And I'm not a fan of like too sweet or too florally. This is the perfect balance. Everybody that smells me is like, what am I wearing? And I'm like, this is it. Let's go make a list of things we're gonna do today. Got some really cool deliveries today. I've been getting deliveries all week. The deliveries that I've been waiting for forever finally arrived. So I'm gonna unbox those with you guys, but let's make a little plan of our day in my planner that I've never used. This is my skin post skincare. I definitely went too heavy on the face oil, but it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel greasy. It's so amazing. Okay, you guys, I think it's about time I do a giveaway, and I actually collected some of my favorite products. Just gonna go through them with you guys. And this is gonna be one giveaway. This whole pile will be one, and I will do one weekly this Ramadan. So this is the Fenty Beauty Body Lava in Trophy Wife. We have my all-time favorite serum for hyperpigmentation and dark spots. We have a brand new bottle. I just took them all out of the packaging just to make it easier for you to see. This is the Vino Perfect Serum. This is the Fresh Soy Cleanser, which is amazing. We have a highlighter and blush duo from Jouer. We have a beautiful floral scent from Irene. And then we have two of my favorite lashes of all time, the TL4 and the TL9 style in the Tati lashes. These are like the ultimate fluffy lashes. We have my favorite perfume company, which is Atelier Cologne. Really, really luxurious and just smells so rich and just, once you get a whiff of this stuff, you will not wear anything else. Like Atelier is just up there. This is the Elemis Japanese Camellia Body Blend Oil. It's just an overall oil that I like to put all over my body when I come out of the shower. It just feels so good and it smells so good. These are this week's giveaway. If you want to enter, I want you to comment down below one goal you have set for yourself this Ramadan. And if you aren't fasting or practicing Ramadan, just one goal you set for yourself that you want to accomplish by the end of this year. This year has been a total mess, so I figured maybe if we set these goals for ourselves, we speak them into existence and we practice them, maybe we can all work together in making them happen. This is this week's giveaway. Comment down below. You have to be subscribed to my page. You also have to hit that little bell notification to get notified when I upload my daily Ramadan vlogs. And that is it, you guys. All you need to do to participate in this giveaway. Desperate times, you guys. I'm wearing Adam's sweater as a hijab. This is an all-time new. Anyways, that's all, folks. That's all you gotta do to enter this giveaway. I will announce the winner 2 days from now, so 2 vlogs from this vlog. So this will be up on Sunday, and I will announce the winner on Tuesday. The only restrictions for this giveaway is that you have to be 18 or over, and it is a international giveaway, so I'll be sending this anywhere in the world, wherever you are, if you won this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Mwah.